こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write Ho Hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. Ho. This character consists of 4 strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this downward stroke. Remember, in hiragana, there are 3 ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. The first stroke ends with a jump, like this. The second stroke is this one. It ends with a stop. The third stroke is this one, right below the second stroke. And it also ends with a stop. The last stroke is this one. First, it goes from top to bottom. Then, it curves to make a loop with a stop at the end. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download Hiragana Roxys like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。